Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, and it must be one of yours because it's super popular. Basic brownies, which really are the best gluten-free brownies. Let's do it. So just start with gluten-free flour blend. Easy for me to say, gluten-free flour blend. I am using the Pamela's Artisan Blend, and that's what I use for pretty much everything. And this is some grain-free baking powder. And then now let's talk about cocoa. So when we are making from scratch brownies, honestly, the most important thing is the cocoa. So I use legit cocoa, which is why I brought that here, right? I'm showing you my flour, I'm showing you my cocoa. This is Dutch cocoa from Holland. It's called droste. You get all the flavor is coming from that and the salt. So use good cocoa. Then you want to use neutral oil. I am using California extra virgin olive oil. Couple of eggs. I have tried this with an egg replacement. I like it better with regular eggs. I cook with eggs. If you don't, that's cool. Then we add a little water or cold coffee. Today, I'm gonna add walnuts to this when I'm making them plain with no like chocolate chips, no walnuts, no mixed-ins. I always use cold coffee. Sometimes if I want the flavor more pronounced from the other thing that I'm adding, then I use water. White cane sugar. Right? Now you can use organic, non-processed cane sugar, totally fine, but we're looking for cane sugar here. You can use brown sugar, but you're gonna get a chewier brownie, or an unprocessed sugar, chewier brownie, a little bit kind of crispier texture on the edge. If you want my brownie, my favorite brownie, this is what we use, okay? Cane sugar. And then vanilla bean paste. So vanilla bean paste, see how thick that is? It's vanilla extract suspended in a little bit of sugar, and it also has bean fleck in it. So it's got real vanilla beans in it, so you get all that fragrance. Okay, so we're gonna mix that together. If you're doing mix-ins, you wanna get it till you've got most of the lumps out, but you don't wanna like mix it till it's perfectly smooth. I'm gonna do walnuts today. And then I use a 9x9 pan. I spray it with a little bit of coconut oil or whatever works for you. Right, my own personal fog machine. And then you wanna pour this right in. Now, this brownie is gonna have a crispy edge and like a fudgy center and that glossy top. If you're a cake brownie person, you can add an additional egg to this recipe, but I am a fudgy brownie person with a crispy edge. So we're just gonna smooth this all in there. And that oil, and that's part of the reason I like using olive oil, is it really gives it a nice shine and a glossy finish. This goes in the oven at 350, and then we have deliciousness, just that simple. And this, friends, is what they look like when they're done. Can you feel me? Fudgy center, crispy edge. I usually only cut them into 9. And I don't always share. All right, try it, love it. Salud. G-Free Foodie. Check out the recipe online. Bye guys. So good.